happens because the burning candle uses up all the oxygen, which creates empty space. The empty space or vacuum creates low pressure. Hence, the water comes in the bottle and rises up. Please do like, share and subscribe.